Boys and girls, today we're going to learn about fractions. Specifically, today we're going to talk about unit fractions. So unit fractions is when we have only one part of the whole fraction being identified by color or shading it in. So for example, you can see here that there are two equal parts to this rectangle, but only one is shaded in. So I would call this 1/2, 1/2, 1 out of the 2, or 1/2. But in this case over here, I have 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts that this circle is divided into, so my denominator is going to be 4, but my numerator shows me that 2 of the equal parts are shaded green. So 2/4 of this circle is green. So this is not a unit fraction because it doesn't have 1 as the numerator. All unit fractions have only one equal part of the total parts. So for example, down here, this rectangle, that has 4 equal parts, but only one of the parts is shaded blue. So this would be 1/4, and this would be considered a unit fraction. In today's Seesaw activity, you're going to be sorting fraction models. Which models show a unit fraction where only one part of the whole is shaded, and which fraction models show non-unit fractions, or they are not unit fractions, where more than one part of the whole is shaded in. Then on the next page of the activity, you're going to match these parts, the number of equal parts, with the name that they're called. So for example, a fraction or a shape divided into 3 equal parts is called thirds. And so I'm going to move this 3 equal parts over here next to thirds. Then you'll take the next card over here and you'll say, well, 8 equal parts, or whatever the next one is, and you can match that with what it's called over here. On the last page of this activity, let's see here if I can get this. There we go. The last page of this activity, there's this flower fractions activity. There's the fraction word bank, so you can see how to spell all of the different fractions. And what you're going to do is you're going to look at the fraction model inside the petals of the flowers. So for example, in this flower here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 total pieces inside, but only one of them is shaded. So using my pen tool, I'm going to write down 1/8, if I can, and then I'm going to move or use a label tool to write down 1/8 as a label. So let me see if I can finish writing my fraction here, 1/8. There we go. So I would write my fraction with the pen tool, and then using the label tool, I would write down with words what that fraction is called. So go ahead and give this a try, and I'll see how you do. I look forward to seeing how you label all of the fractions.